Hey everyone, welcome back to DevOps Pro Junction. I am Venkatesh, your DevOps engineer and host for today's episode. So if you have ever struggling with managing the multiple monitoring tools, switching between dashboards or just getting clarity into what's going wrong in production, this video is for you. Today we are diving into something game changing, which is with middleware. So the modern observability platform that unifies logs, metrics, and traces in one places. Let's get started. The problem with the observability. So basically, we have observability has become a must have in our DevOps. But here is the challenge. So most modern systems are built in the cloud with containers. These with the microservices and distributed API managing observability across all of that. So it's tough. You either cobble together open source tools like a Prometheus, Grafana, Loki, Jagger, or pay a premium for platforms like a Datadog or Neuralink. But what if I told you there is a simpler, cheaper, and just as powerful solution? So that's where middleware comes in. Middleware is the full stack observability platform available to the both SaaS or self-hosted solutions. What make it difference? It's built to be so easy to set up in a minute, friendly for beginner, unified, meaning metrics, logs, and traces all live on one timeline. No jumping between two, no steep learning curve, just plug and play observability. What are the key features? So let's talk about the features. So unified timeline view. You can correlate logs, metrics, and traces visually all in one place. 100 plus dashboards, drag to zoom, charts, real user monitoring, and synthetic testing all come pre-built. Smart alerts. Get your alerts on threshold, anomalies, or incidents. Hook it up to Slack, PagerDuty, or even build your own alert pipeline. 200 plus integrations with auto instrumentations via open telemetry. Getting data in is dead simple. It even include infrastructure monitoring, APM, RUM, and server observability out of box. If you ever set up Prometheus, Grafana, or Jagger, you know how much maintenance goes into it. When it comes to that, middleware gives you all the power without the dive. Think no data slop, no scattered UI, one query language, one clean interface. It's preferred for teams who don't have time to babysit their monitoring stack. What about the big names? Middleware offers 50 to 75% lower cost compared to Datadog with the usage-based pricing at about 0.30 per GB. It's agent swap compatible with a Datadog, so you don't even need to rebuild your telemetry pipeline. A cleaner UI and faster onboarding, especially helpful for small teams or newcomers to observability. Middleware shines in real-world DevOps scenarios. Kubernetes monitoring, deploy the agent as a daemon set. It auto discover pods, nodes, clusters, and give you dashboard instantly. API servers track the API latency, uptime, and errors across services with a distributed tracing. You can even run synthetic checks from global locations. That's powerful stuff. Now pricing. There is a generous free tier 100 GB data, 1000 real user sessions, and 20,000 synthetic checks for free. And if you upgrade, it's pay as you go. No contract. Plus Slack supports for paid users and 24/7 support for enterprise plans. Need more control? There is a self-hosted option too. Perfect for strict compliance needs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more DevOps insights, tools, and tutorials right here for the DevOps Pro Junction. So if you have a questions, you can drop it in the comments. I will address your questions as. Before that, I'm going with some demo. So for you, so here I have already created the one EKS cluster and which is running on. I'm going to show you some demo with this EKS cluster. So I already have the two nodes which is running of capacity t3.media, and this cluster I have created using the Terraform. Let's go to the middleware. So for that you have to create your account. You have to create your account and you can simply log in from the middleware.io website. And once you log in, you can go to the settings and you can find out the APM key for your one, and if you not, you can create your API key as well for the integration. So here the whole installation setup for your Linux, Debian or whatever we have, or Docker, so you can use this method. So here we have the Kubernetes. So for the Kubernetes cluster, here the requirement is like our cluster should be version 1.21 or greater. So here my cluster is which is running on 1.27, and we should have the kubectl and CLI, everything should be installed. And next I'm going to use this with the Helm chart method. For that you have to paste your cluster name. Here you can paste simply your cluster name, and once you pasted, you can simply copy paste on your terminal. So by that way your cluster will be get integrated. Then after a few minutes you can do refresh. Here you can find out like your cluster details, and after few minutes you can check out on this namespace filter. You can even you find out you can namespace details or whatever, you can simply you can select and save it whatever, and you can go and find the infrastructure. So this is the infrastructure where you can find your nodes. All the nodes are listed here, and you can find out your clusters whatever you have integrated, and you can also see the node and namespaces whatever you have the namespace, and pods which is running on everything in the UI. And you can even you can see the storage config, everything is in the dashboard here. And even you, if you want to create some alerts, you can go and create with this alert creations, and you have the dashboard whatever you want to create here. And you want to create any synthetic monitoring with the live alerts, you can also do that with the getting started here. It is also something gives something like LLM observability. You can also check out this is same like something helpful for same like something called the Datadog. So same kind of software you can use, but compared to Datadog it is a low cost. I believe this video is helpful. So if you find these videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel and follow for the more. Let's see you on the another topic.